Welcome to the debate for Vice President. I'm the host of the selection. Let's introduce our nominees for Vice President. The first one is Paul Ryan. The second is Joe Biden. Let's start.
I will help Mitt Romney by trying to help jobless people get jobs and homeless people get shelter.
Okay, thank you for that, Paul. Now it's your turn. Joe, you can start when you're ready.
I will help Barack by doing good deeds that will help the country as well as the rest of the world.
Thank you, Joe. Now it's time to tally up the votes. It looks like the Vice President of the United States is